pressure that you've been watching on the Weather Channel now for days. Still spinning around, still weakening, but when you consider how warm it's getting and how humid it's getting, it doesn't take much of an impulse up there at the upper levels of the atmosphere to kick off the thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon when the atmosphere is really warm and we get those rising parcels of air to form thunderstorm clouds. And boy, I tell you what, it's been everything I could do to just keep up with all the storm reports. Look at all the severe reports now from Texas on up into Nebraska, still going gangbusters here, all the way to the East Coast. Man, hail, gusty winds, trees and power lines down all over the place. Look at the severe thunderstorm watches. From Washington, D.C. to Norfolk to Richmond, back to Dallas, Omaha, and Denver. Well, here we go. I'm your severe man for the next couple of minutes. Look at that. Is this a Christmas tree, or is this a map of Michigan and the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic states? Those thunderstorms are really lighting things up. There's one place that hasn't gotten them yet, and that's southeastern New England, but you will get in on that the next couple of days, the likes of which we're seeing here in New York State, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. And down here into the Delaware Valley, has it been raining? Oh my... Well, forget this radar. This is very hot. This is indicating heavier precipitation than we actually have. But as you can see, it's just not moving much. And right up here through the Delaware Valley, man alive, I'll tell you, back into Swarthmore and into West Philly, the rain is coming down, up to Lambertville and New Hope, Trenton and Prince. Some showers into New York City right now. Down east of Baltimore and Washington and into the Norfolk metropolitan area. Look what...
Nice clear skies around southern Wisconsin. That's the good news. You can see the rotation of the low pressure system responsible for a lot of the thunderstorms that Dave just showed you, but around Madison, clear as a bell, and temperatures real nice to boot. Looking at readings right now.
Incredibly. region.
Saginaw Bay. Here in Detroit, a few showers too. Ohio, kind of sprinkled, peppered. But the real concerted effort by Mother Nature is in eastern New York, New Jersey, Philadelphia, and down into Norfolk, the city of Poquoson, Virginia, under a severe thunderstorm warning right now. And here, the Delaware Valley, I'll tell you, the Delaware River, if it was down a couple of inches, we're probably up a quart tonight. This rain is coming down like crazy. And in northeast Philadelphia, at the airport just off the boulevard, they're reporting some hail this past hour. Some very heavy rain right across the river here, Morrisville, into Trenton, then up into Princeton, Parsippany. West of New York City, we're getting hit with some heavy rain down toward Dover, Delaware, east of Baltimore and Washington. I tell you, I sound like an announcer in a train terminal.
Full of severe thunderstorms, parts of western Ohio earlier today. Now things trying to settle down for the time being, but still looking at some scattered showers, and even in southeastern lower Michigan, some heavier rains producing some ponding on the roads. It's a little early for that, but we are starting to see the dew point. We've had some heavier rains, prompting some flood watches as you head from eastern Ohio into southwestern Pennsylvania, even parts of western Virginia. Potential for flooding is there, so we'll have to keep a close eye out for that. The other areas getting rain, well, you stretch out into the Great Lakes.